Happy September. I want to share with you the September hashtags, and you can get all of these ideas for posts, social media holidays, hashtag holidays for every single day of the year in the 365 restaurant marketing planner that you can get in the link below. But holidays and hashtags for September. The 7th is Labor Day. And so that entire weekend, you can think about what are you going to do Labor Day weekend? Are you going to have specials, drink specials, coming out and joining us on the patio? Are you going to have special hours? That's right there. The 11th is hashtag 9/11 day. And so this is remembrance of September 11th. And so that should be a very somber day of remembrance. The 13th is National Grandparents Day. So for restaurants, think about something you could do with grandparents bringing their grandkids in for a meal, and maybe you could give them a special on that. This is a fun one. Is the 19th is Talk Like a Pirate Day. Arr! And so you could do lots of fun things. In your post, everything could be arr and matey, right? Or you could have your staff dress up like a pirate. That could be really fun. And then the 22nd is the first day of fall. And so changing colors, changing weather. You can talk about, pumpkin spice is coming back in. We've got Halloween right around the corner. Lots of things you could do there. So these are just a few of the hashtags and a few of the ideas you can get from the 365 Restaurant Marketing Planner, and you can get it at the link below. So if you have any questions, send me a message, drop it in the comments below. Love to chat, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.